Good morning, dear students. Let's start our new topic, different types of radioactivity. Our first type is alpha decay. As you all know, our mostly elements are unstable, and these unstable elements wants to get stable, and for get stability they get decay or they lose some electrons or photons. This is called radioactivity. In case of alpha particle, a parent nuclei want to get stability, that's why he lose a helium particle, that's why he emit a helium particle. This is a parent nuclei, and after decay it lose a helium particle and makes a daughter nuclei. This is the reaction. Suppose this is our mother nuclei. X is the name of the element, Z is the atomic number, A is the mass number. After alpha decay, the daughter nuclei become Y, Z minus 2, A minus 4 because it produces a alpha particle. And in alpha particle, there is a mass number of 4 and atomic number of 2. Clear? Now come to the mass defect. Mass defect is the difference of masses between mother nuclei and the daughter nuclei. Suppose mx is the mass of mother nuclei, my is the mass of daughter nuclei, and m helium is the mass of alpha particle. What is the energy? Formula of energy is E is equal to mc square. Here m is del m c square. E is the energy value, or you can say that Q value or disintegration energy. Example of alpha decay. Suppose you have a uranium nuclei, and in uranium nuclei you have alpha decay. In case of alpha decay, it produces a helium particle and become TH90234. 2 less from atomic number, 4 less from mass number. After that, it releases some energy also of range 4.25 milli electron volt. Now switch to next type of decay. Next one is beta decay. Beta decay is of two types, dear students. It is of two types. One is beta negative decay, second one is beta positive decay. In case of beta negative decay, it produces electron plus antineutrino, and in case of beta positive decay, it produces positron plus neutrino. Clear? In beta plus decay, it emitted positron plus neutrino. What is beta decay? What is the reaction for beta negative decay? In case of beta negative decay, suppose this is the parent nuclei, it produces an electron. It produces an electron. After producing electron, one proton is extra, and that's why it becomes Z plus 1A plus इलेक्ट्रॉन प्लस न्यूट्रिनो, एंटी न्यूट्रिनो का ये सिंबल है. इसके बाद बीटा प्लस डीके की बात करते हैं. तो बीटा प्लस डीके में क्या होता है बेटा, एक पॉजिट्रॉन निकलता है तो एक फोटोन कम हो जाएगा और हमारा डॉटर न्यूक्लियाई बनेगा वाई ए जेड माइनस 1 प्लस इलेक्ट्रॉन प्लस न्यूट्रिनो. Clear? This is the reaction for beta plus decay. Now what is gamma decay? Third one is gamma decay. In case of gamma decay, the element doesn't change. Element remains same. After, first of all, when the element is in excited state, it becomes stable and come in the ground state. After coming to ground state, it becomes stable, and here after alpha or beta decay, here occurs gamma decay and it comes in the ground state, but here the element doesn't changes. Clear? Now come to few properties of alpha decay and beta decay. Properties of alpha decay. Our first property is they have positive charge equal to plus 2e, where e is equal to 1.6 cross 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. They have rest mass equal to 4 times the mass of proton. इनका जो मास है वो किसके इक्वल होता है, 4 times the mass of proton. दे आर एमिटेड विद वेलोसिटी रेंज, इनकी जो भी एमिट होते हैं तो इनकी वेलोसिटी रेंज क्या है 1.4 क्रॉस 10⁻⁷ to 2.2 क्रॉस 10⁻⁷ मीटर पर सेकेंड. They are deflected by electric fields. They are deflected by magnetic field also. Alpha particles are deflected by both the fields. They cause fluorescence in some material. Fluorescence create होता है कुछ मटेरियल में अल्फा डिके के बाद, और वो कौन कौन से हैं? जिंक सल्फाइड, बैरियम, प्लेटिनो साइनाइड. They have low penetrating power. They have very high ionization power. They slightly affect the photographic plates. बेटा ये सारी प्रॉपर्टीज आपको अच्छे से आनी चाहिए. अल्फा पार्टिकल्स आर स्कैटर्ड बाय थिन metallic foils. The distance through which alpha particle can travel in air varies from range 3.1 to 7.8 centimeter. These are the properties of alpha particle. And if we talk about beta particle, they have fluorescence property also for some substances, and the substances are same as that of alpha particle, and their ionization power of beta particle is 1/100 times the ionization power of gamma particles. गामा पार्टिकल्स से कम होती है बीटा पार्टिकल्स की. दैट्स देयर आयोनाइजेशन पावर इज लेस देन दैट ऑफ अल्फा पार्टिकल. अल्फा पार्टिकल से भी लेस है. पेनिट्रेशन पावर ज़्यादा होती है अल्फा पार्टिकल के कंपैरिजन में. ये भी फोटोग्राफिक प्लेट्स को अफेक्ट करते हैं. बीटा पार्टिकल्स कैन ट्रेवल इन एयर अप टू फ्यू मीटर्स. बीटा पार्टिकल्स कुछ मीटर्स तक ट्रेवल कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. थैंक यू डियर स्टूडेंट्स. हैव अ नाइस डे.